Good morning, everyone. Let's get this bread. All right. All right. Okay. Looking good. Looking good. Here is what we're gonna do. Um, first off, hold up. Yeah, got some stuff from yesterday. This is what we're gonna do. Think I'm about to take profit on the my little free shares from yesterday. Or what? Hold up. I'm up like 50% on them. So look, I'm gonna sell out of 30 shares of the R. What is it? Hold up. And Bill's top of the morning. Yeah, I'm gonna sell out of 30 shares of those. That way I get my money out and we'll still have some, have like 10 shares. Is that right? Hold up. Un momento. Just so y'all know, I'm looking at Apple this morning. I am I want it. It's not necessarily showing anything, but I like their earnings, so I want to get some with a couple weeks. Hold on, y'all. I'm trying to. Oh, there we go. Let's see. All right. So I cut out of. All right. Okay. Cool. Yeah, took profit on those shares that I grabbed yesterday. Shout out to Lucky J. All right, Osama on top of the morning. Yo, yeah, things finally melted. Charles, top of the morning. Okay, let's see. Okay, so we got Spy up here, little Spy action. We got Rigetti up here. Probably swap that to the Qs. I want what is this? We want Apple right here, and then we can kind of move this one and see what's up. Or maybe We'll throw Apple here. Lakers only. Good morning. Top of the morning. How's it going? Okay. Yeah, I want some upside on Apple. I'm really glad they came back down after their earnings. Let's but I don't to be clear, I don't expect anything to happen right away with that. And then well, this one went crazy yesterday. This little tech create group, uh, RPGL, and then we're gonna yeah, kind of sift through on this other one. M- Monica, top of the morning. Kong, top of the morning. All right, let's see. So we got the Dixie. Now we're looking at okay, Dixie trying to move back up. That's a little bearish. VIX is down. That's good. We got the PCE, and we dropped overnight, right? Yeah, we sold off a little bit. Let me get rid of this trade from yesterday, and let's come down to 15. Yeah, we're kind of flat right now. Let's slide Apple up. I'm gonna bring that down to a 15 as well. Oh yeah, it's a good little start to the trend. Oh, hold up. They wanna on the day if we can get a retest of this. That would be good even on a day right there. All right. So Shane, top of the morning. Does SoFi have earnings? I think they already had their earnings this morning because they were up. So SoFi, you see this movement? I think they announced. Yeah, so they surprised to the upside. So yeah, SoFi, yeah, they announced their earnings. Um, yeah, that's one that I personally I like to give these time. But yeah, SoFi, you can see they pushed up off their earnings. They're up like 5% in the pre-market. Dr. Sunny Sell, top of the morning. Hey, hope we're ready to get this bread. Hold up, let me slide this, move this over here. Should be drop that to like a 15. Let's see what looks good. Here, we'll slide this Republic right now. Bitcoin down, Ethereum down. Oh, we're supposed to have like some. Hold on, let me look at some contracts. AMD falls rapidly. Pre-market trade. Hold up, what's going on with that? Hold up, what's up? AMD. Oh wait, hold up. Let me bro, what's going on here? Uh, don't really see why this is happening. So AMD selling down. They still have some earnings ahead of them. And for some reason, they come to this 221 area. Yo, let's that'll be an area of interest. But yeah, as of right now, they're selling off and don't know why. I'm gonna see if I can I'm gonna hit you top of the morning. Let me see if I can find anything out. Insider sell off due to acknowledged earning release. Yeah, don't know why it's selling off. Okay. Oh, hold up. What time? Oh, no, no, we got 3 minutes. I just saw Apple just spike down here. I was like, yo, all right, let me get in position. I might want to see what I have going for me today. So I'm gonna probably get a swing on Apple today, and then what's going on here? Hold up, let me zoom out a little bit more. They trying to give a little more sauce. Yeah, I'll probably get a oh, come on, hold up. Oh, it's already trying to take some stuff out. Okay, that. So I kind of already like this area for an entry, but I do want to acknowledge it could be early too with what's going on. So I'm not going to throw it all at it. Tech override, top of the morning. Chuck for options, top of the morning. Oh yeah, these curve definitely looking at Apple right now. See, we got some action on AMD too. They're throwing a lot at us right now, and it's bro, this is why I'm not at the market at market open every day because this is one they trying to throw a lot at us right now. Still is 43, top of the morning. Yo, let's have a nice Friday. let's see. So yeah, the budget for the Apple Swing probably gonna be around $100. Oh, they're throwing me off with this how they have multiple expirations, how it's not just weeklies now. I gotta like look at my calendar. Let's see. So I'll probably shoot for like the 14th or the 21st. I'll see what's out there. Yeah, let's see. Oh, actually, I can get between that actually. Wait. Okay, so market is open. Let's see. All right, this is all right. So I picked up an Apple 270 call that expires on the 13th, and I paid 107 per share. Um, that's that's just in case anything happens. I liked Apple's earnings; they didn't really move, so because of that, that's just me. Let's call that speculation. I'm gonna share that, and then we'll kind of that it could drop some more. Like I could see it dropping as low as like if it comes to 244, that'll be really nice too. Probably get in some more on that, but yeah, I got in on that. We'll kind of let that do its thing. I'll let the market kind of like show itself. Oh, hold up, we're gonna pull back on SoFi too. They're trying to show some stuff. Hold up. We got too much going on right now. Let me share that with the family real quick. Just grabbed an AAPL 270 call expiring 2/13, paid 1.07 per share. Yeah, we got a lot going on right now. All right, let's see. In the car, what's up with X? Oh, Emerson's gonna need a moment before I get to Exxon. There's a lot going on right now. AMD down, Broadcom spiked up. Not, yeah, I'm not sure either. Buddha the top of the morning. Hey, top of the morning, Darren. All right, spy up here. Got the Qs. AMD. Oh, a lot of red on the board, bro. Gold and silver. Silver's down 14%. Let's see. SoFi beat across the board on earnings. Growth named the new Fed chair as well. Warsh. Super hawkish background. That's very interesting. Henry, top of the morning. We did have negative data come out this morning to PPI. All right, so yeah, we're gonna wait, let the dust settle a little bit. Give it like 15 to 30 minutes, see what's really going on, where things want to move. Maybe reevaluate, possibly get a little day trade in. Um, Henry said, "Hey, hit the like button." Oh yeah, family. If you're here, if you can hear the sound of my voice, yo. I see 17 of you smash the like button. What's up with what's up with the rest of you? Come on now, hey, smash it. It's right there, looking good. Here, let's see. Yeah, SoFi had that quick pullback. That might have been an opportunity though. AMD kind of pushing up. Daisy, do you have these lives every day? So I live stream every day, but publicly, it's just on Fridays right now. You said metals down, yes sir. Yeah, that's what I was saying. The gold and silver, they down at the moment. Oh, I just got some kind of here. Let's see. I already know I'm not going to. Oh yeah, we can't. Hey, can't have that. Gotta. Hey, get the like button smash. All right. Federal Reserve Governor Christopher Waller, who had been the finalist for the Fed's top until President Trump named Kevin Warsh as chair, laid out his rationale Friday for dissenting against the central bank's decision to hold rates steady this week. Waller cast a dissenting vote in favor of a cut Wednesday's meeting. Oh, okay. Whatever. All right. So SPY is testing pre-market resistance. Hey, we'll see. We'll see how it go. Apple's holding up a little better. Like it's trying to play with y'all boys. I don't know. We'll see. I think it'd be nice to get to that high we hit overnight. If for some reason this contract goes there, like today, yo, I'm out of that thing. But yeah, we gotta give it some time. ZSL is way up this morning. Oh, that's the silver one, right? Let's see. I sold out of I sold out of 30 of my 40 shares of that one we had yesterday. I sold out in pre-market. Oh dang, that Rich Tech Robotics. That's down right now. You know, I'm down on that. But let me see what I had yesterday was real quick. Yeah, ZSL is up. I think it was a RPGL. Bro, this thing hit $2. Hey, shout out to Lucky J. I could have had 100% at that point, but hey, it is what it is. Oh, hold up. I think we got a trade setting up. Yo, so we set some liquidity up here yesterday up here at 695. Hey, we come to that. That might be a short right there. If we can come to that on the spot, I might yeah, that might be my trade. We'll see. We'll see if we can get there. That's money if we can come into that and we don't like confirm above it. Let me check that out one more time. So yo, that would be like 695. I can even sit around and wait for confirmation and make sure it's not going to keep moving up because that would be a move back to like six, little below 689. That's a decent move already. And then shoot, if it goes all the way, bro, 685, that's crazy. So there, yeah, I'm looking out for that. That'll be a nice move. So got some potential out there today. Let me take another look at SoFi. See what's what this is a 4 hour. So we supports down here. We still got some liquidity over here at like 2358. That's what I was waiting for. We came close in the pre-market, but we didn't come get it. Feel like we're all over the place. AMD sold off, and now it's shoot. You bought that open. You got money. You got money on AMD. That was just like an opportunity right there. I'm about to snack a little bit. Ooh. All right, so if I doing some pulling back, technically a bullish range though. This 23.58 might be a good swing too. If it comes down there, that might be the play too. Exxon beat earning. I have never looked at SoFi beat earnings too. If I'm being real, I don't know anything about petroleum earnings though. They beat earnings. I see they pulled back and they're going up. Looks like they did sweep some liquidity, but now where they are, I don't know what to say about it. But yeah, SoFi beat earnings too, and they're potentially coming into something, so I'm watching them as well. Apple also beat earnings. Don't forget about Apple. That's it's my dog right there right now. All right, let's yeah, SoFi coming down. I might like to see what happens there. All right, let's check the cues. They're kind of at their pre-market resistance too. Hey, to those of y'all that were like trading with me yesterday, y'all saw how that like bro, the spy like pulled back yesterday, or it had that pullback, and then it like ran. Yeah, it's like if we would have held that contract, that contract probably would have went like 300% or so. I was like, man, but also I probably wouldn't have wanted to hold all that time. Look at Sandus. I'm scared too. I feel like I saw something about like 600. I might be. Oh no, yeah. Oh yes. Yep. Yep. 677. Dang. I feel like I saw something about like 608 or something. No, okay. That's just it's wilding right now. Sand is wild. All right, so far may have found support for the morning. We'll see. Am I buying straight shares or am I buying option plays? I would say for the most part, most of the stuff I'm gonna do here is going to be option plays. The shares I buy shares, but I buy like daily recurring shares. And then sometimes if I have some left over, like I think like a couple times this past week, I haven't seen one today, but Lucky J had been coming in with these penny stock plays. Yeah, sometimes I'll like hop in on those with Nothing crazy, but I'll just get a little something, something. But still need to let the market settle right now. See what it's going to do. Let me refresh. Oh, we got Chicago PMI in like about 15 seconds. Not, it's not expected to really have an impact, but just wanted to call that out. James, new here. Hey, well, welcome, James. I'm hoping the videos are helpful. If Hey, and if you got anything that you want to like ask that you don't understand, don't hesitate, man. This is probably like the best time to get clarity. A lot of people ask me for like one-on-ones and stuff. Well, on the cool, I don't like make time for it at the moment. But it's like I make time for everyone like right now. So get it when you can. Bro, it's so nice seeing I'm just over here looking on the side. Rigetti is below 20. It's moving below this trend line. It's like I'm kind of doubtful that it'll like move too much further, but it could. Or actually no, I think it could move further, but I think it'll probably have to move, come back and retest because like it is like extra oversold, or maybe it'll have to like trade sideways for some time, but it just keeps pulling back. Apple going for 252.20 again. You said for I don't know. Apple, so Apple, I have it on the screen. I'm trying not to watch it too closely because it's like I don't necessarily expect it to do anything today. Like honestly, if it wants to come to 244, I'm cool with that. I don't expect it to really do anything today, but I also acknowledge that it could. And like that thing that I was expecting to happen today is I guess it's now speculated for like I think Monday or Tuesday. So that I think that could add some more fuel to the fire. So I kind of just want to be in it. Like I want to allow for whatever to happen, but I think their earnings were really good and very optimistic. So it's like I can see them getting some upgrades, like just random upgrades coming in, and then I didn't see them being up over the weekend or at the end of next week or something. You know how that happens, but that was more. I would say just a feeling, but it's a little more than just a feeling. Haven't taken anything like fully technical yet. If we get this, like if we come down on SoFi, yeah, SoFi will go in. So I grabbed a 270 call that expired on the 13 at open. I paid like 107 per share from it. Should be on the WAP or in Discord. If you look at the Matthews trade sections, let me make sure it was posted. But yeah, I grabbed that like right at open. Yeah, like 17 minutes ago. Yeah, I'm down like 35% on it, but I'm chilling. I'm definitely chilling because I didn't we got SoFi pulling back some more. But yeah, I'm definitely chilling because I didn't pay those what is it? I didn't pay the IV prices, so If I would have bought this contract yesterday, it would have been about 75%. I don't know. It would have been a lot higher than it is right now. It was going for about like 350 at close yesterday. So I'm happy Apple came back down to pick us up. Daisy, for options, do you mostly do short term contracts? I do at least 1 year. So Daisy, I'm trying to wait here. Let me finish. Let me finish. I do at least 1 year contracts. For those who do contracts shorter than a year, why would they do that since tax gains is higher? Daisy, I don't know what your income's like, but if you're making more money, then paying more in taxes doesn't necessarily hurt because you're making money. I think there's a place for the like getting leaps and stuff, and I think leaps are great. I think they're amazing. I That is the way I am going to lean more into that. But right now, the capital I have available, leaps cost more, and I know what to do. Like I can keep hitting these base hits to allow myself to get more time and bigger contracts. So because of that, that's why. It's like say I don't know, say a year from now, honestly. It's like I graduated I graduated college like maybe like 6 years ago. And yeah, in 2020. Actually I hadn't graduated yet. So let's say 5.5 years ago. Um I graduated during COVID. So didn't get a real like good job, had a massive amount of college debt. I'm still paying off my college debt. So like just different people in different kind of points in their life. So I have like less capital available to me just because I'm being like financially responsible, trying to pay stuff off as well. And now I'm like shifting into the point where I'm starting to have more money, starting to have more available to me. So I'm going to shift into the longer term, but it's like I'm still able to get money to invest with and add to my long term position by trading short term stuff. So, oh, and I'm also not something I recommend, but I make a lot of these trades in a Roth IRA, which is tax free. So I'm not getting taxed on it. And hold on, we're kind of moving up. But what was I gonna say? But yeah, it's like you get it's taxed higher than what it would be if you get a year, but it's still kind of taxed at your regular rate. So whatever your income bracket is, you get taxed accordingly. So if you're not really making money from it, it's not going to be anything crazy. If you made good money from it, you made good money from it, so it's not anything to trip from either. But like if you get something for a year and you truly watch the trade, you'll notice there's all kinds of fluctuation. There's probably a point you went up like maybe like 60% and then came back down to like 20%. And if you look at that fluctuation and you're like, oh, if I would have taken profit at this supply zone and then bought back at the demand zone, that definitely would have more than offset tax. So it's like the more you can see, the clearer the charts are to you. Assuming you have the time to like get in and make the adjustments, that's why you would get less, or that's why you would trade shorter term. All right, so we got SoFi pulling back, and also new Ned. What's up, family? Top of the morning. Hey, I'm glad you made it to watch the stream again as well. All right, SoFi might. Hey, it's trying to get close. So this was pre-market low. I'm gonna delete that now. We're starting to come into this is a level I had that I've been waiting for SoFi to come for a long time. So this will likely be what I go for today. But also it's gonna be more from a swing. I'm gonna get time like it's gonna be a swing. Let me see what the contracts are going for. Cause it looks like it's about to hit. Um I want to here, let me check the delta. That's 45. What if we go out a week? That's 47. Honestly, hmm. Like we're at 365. Hmm. So let me check the data. Here, what's the difference versus oh, I feel like they're watching me. I think the price just ran up on those. This is why I typically oh hold up the spread kind of increased. Hold on, let me look at the closer one, see what the spread's like. Um, hey, we're getting close though. We're getting close. All right, so let's see. Oh, maybe not. Maybe not. They're trying to push the price up. Oh no. We'll see if it hits. They're playing with me right now. Apple trying to hold up. Hey, very very welcome, Daisy. Hey, you're yeah, very very welcome. I think it's always good to like have different perspectives and whatnot. But I 100% say like getting more time on your contracts and having more time on your trades, bro. It makes it. I'm not going to say it makes it so easy because if you're one of those people that need to watch and micromanage, it's going to be hard for you emotionally. But like, say you expect a trade to do something, and like, say, okay, I'm buying Apple at 255, and I expect it to go to 268. The hardest part about trading, especially on the short term, is knowing how much time to get. Usually, the more time you get, the easier. It does kind of affect the percentage returns, but if you're looking for it from a dollar amount, it's better. So it kind of just depends on what you're going for. But yeah, allowing yourself more time is usually much better in the long term. With the spy waiting for it to hit one of my levels and patiently and being patient, they usually pump it on Fridays, but won't be surprised if it tanks again. All right, so new net, let me show you what I'm looking at with the spy. So there's one thing I potentially see. So depends on if you know my full strategy, but right now, on the 4 hour, the spy created this bearish range and it created this like first high liquidity up here. So for me, if the SPY comes up to the 695 area, it's a short that I would expect to be able to ride to at least like 689, if not this low over here. This 685 low, the pace that it would hit that, I'm not sure. And it doesn't necessarily have to, but this would be entry for like that was set up for this. James, what platform do you use? I have Moomoo and Thinkorswim. So I use Robinhood and Moomoo. There was a point in time I used Thinkorswim. It was a lot more. It was. I liked the mobile app was kind of all right, a little bit. There were. I feel like there were things that happened on occasions that I didn't understand, but I liked the app a little bit. Still was like more confusing. All right, we got Apple trying to hold up now. TCGL. Yeah, these curve I saw. I'm like, man. I'm like, yo, I know Lucky J. Lucky J is probably like kick back, chilling. He probably bought like a yacht after yesterday. I'm like, yo, that is insane. Hey, bro, look at Rigetti. Rigetti's coming down. It's below 19 now. We got some opportunity knocking. Wow. Expiration Friday to calls and puts and news. It will be volatile. Hold up, hold up. Let me check the PCE now. I'm looking. Okay, it's at like point just below point 0.7. Nunez said, I'm glad you showed that because I'm just now seeing that level on the 4 hour. I have 696 and okay, cool, cool. Those are like levels of resistance. Like those are other key levels. So yeah, those are there too. Those could also be turnaround points. But yeah, always yeah. Whenever things aren't as clear, when in doubt, zoom out for sure. Gain that clarity. Oftentimes when things aren't looking, we're not really seeing the bigger picture. We need to zoom out. He said, "I hope he did buy a yacht." Oh yeah, yeah, you better believe he's gonna invite us too. Hey, let's just all go hop on it. Be like, oh yeah, we that's crazy though. That's one of those situations where being halted actually worked out. Cause like even if he wasn't able to get his money till today, bro, I know he got a bag on that. Didn't he say he got in at like 13 or something? We know Noto is not buying a yacht today. Oh, Anthony. Oh, hey, if we come and sweep this liquidity, we might I don't know. I don't think Wall Street hates SoFi. I think they're trying to build their position. They're trying to manipulate the prices. But nah, yeah, it's messed up that they brought it down so quickly, or they're starting the day out like this. Bro, but Rigetti, I'm just looking at the chart, man. It's coming down. I think Anthony Noto already has a yacht. I don't even think I'd want a yacht. I think it'd be cool to be on one, but I wouldn't want to be responsible. All right, so we got Apple coming back up. I'm just curious how the contract is moving. Let me see. Bro, SoFi said they're not trying to make it happen today. Okay. Um, oh yeah, I'm up 11% on that Apple contract. Hey, we'll take it. Looks like I might be cashing that Apple out today. Hey, we'll see. We'll see. I was like, my intention is like if it comes high enough, sure, I'll get out of it. Like if it comes to pre-market highs, or I think pre-market highs like 264 or something like that. Like, no, this is yesterday. Or I guess pre-market, no, pre-market high like 260. I was like, I think when I saw that, I was like, oh wow, they're really letting us come back in here. You said target on Apple. So Apple's a swing. It's not a day trade, but I'm looking at this. Like, if it comes to the high that it hit after earnings, it had pushed up to like 268. I'll for sure take profit, but yeah, Apple is if it comes to 260, I'm still like holding right now. It's not short. It's like I have some catalysts that I'm trying to wait through, so I don't really have one. It's a little different from my other trades. All right, so the spy they're trying to just chill right now. Zoom in on that. Bro, Jetty is selling off. What does Ion Q look like? Let's see. Where is Ion Q? Oh, it's at like 240, or it's at 40. Hold up. Yo, it's getting back into buy territory for me. It's not there yet, but it's getting there. Hold up. That's wild. Bro, I think I rode from like here to about like 40. Then I got out. And then ran up to 80. I was like, man. But nah, I just want it to hold down. That's wild. Okay. I had felt like I was, I might wait around for that one. All right, let's see what's Microsoft looking like. So yesterday sold off to 423. U.S. stocks slip as tech drags, wars Fed nomination steadies policy outlook. Hey, let us sell off today. That'll just be a buying Actually, it won't just be a buying opportunity. It could be the start of a like downward trend, but kind of got to play level to level. I had a Facebook Marketplace message. He said, "I don't know if it is news. Nvidia, OpenAI news. Let's see. Let's see. Nvidia. Let's see. All right, so we're the spy and the Qs are. They look like they're trying to push, or the spy is trying to push up, and the Qs look like they will too, but the spy is like just a little ahead. The spy might be running towards this or be trying to move towards this liquidity I was talking about at 695. But okay, Nvidia, let's see. Open AI's IPO ambitions will affect the chip maker. I don't know how I feel about that Open AI IPO. As I said, what I miss, how's that Apple looking? Hey, it's positive. Hoping it dips to pick me up. Honestly, this I would say, well, actually, I'm not trying to speculate or pump. In my eyes, this is still considered a dip because in the pre-market, I was like honestly happy to see it was at 260, but we'll kind of see. All right, so I just gotta. Oh wait, what time is it? Apple is maintained at neutral by DA Davison, so that's not like an upgrade. That's not anything crazy. Verizon good earnings response of 7%. Never in my life. I remember people used to. Oh my goodness, yeah, that looks wild. Actually, never in my life have I traded Verizon, but yeah, that's something. Yeah, that's it's moving. That's like this. What is it? This 4137 area that looks interesting. You can scoop it up there. That'd be a good place to try to ride the trend, continue like a continuation of the upside. But yeah, we got the PCE running up. So like here, let's actually look at this. Yo, like this PCE is high. Hey, just see this as building up steam for like a day where like the higher the PCE gets, just know we're gonna have like that's gonna lead to a day where we just like move up or a big gap up or something until this like cools down. Yeah, the fact that we opened at 63, we're already at like 0.72. If we get any kind of height on this, that might be some. Um, but yeah, I want to see the spy come on up into that level though, so we can move on down. So Exxon might be turning around, probably not. What I want to know is what do you think of you grabbed a 149 call that expires next week here. We can look at that. That's like I know you were talking about Exxon, but it's like I didn't have a lens to look at it from or through. You said 149. Um yeah, that's not anything I would have personally grabbed myself. It's not anything I see happening. Yeah, let's go back in history. Yeah, I don't. Yeah, it's me personally. I have a hard time buying at extremes, like high extremes. This is all time highs for Exxon. I'm yeah, I don't know. It's like it would need some sort of catalyst to go up there. So it's like if screw were a level from I don't know, 0 to 10, 10 being the most screwed, I'll probably give it like an 8. It's like it's not like you're $10 away, which is pretty good distance, but it's not impossible. Just highly unlikely. You said the dollar's climbing too. That's oh yeah, that's bearish. That's bearish. Hold on, let's see. So yeah, we got the spy and the dollar. Yeah, they're trying to hit us with that ooh up. Then that dollar starts going up. The market get ready to come down. I will say less. Is that support at yeah, that was on the oh wait, yeah. This is the 687, that's pre-market low on the SPY. So the first place, like the trade I would look the first area I would look to take profit potentially, or the like if I said the trade was full, um 689. I would also kind of like stop around like 691.30, see how it's doing there on the way down. Those are areas where I would like consider profits en route to this 685 area if I grab the put. You said ready for the next setup. Where is it? I'm looking at Spy. And I was looking at SoFi, but SoFi though it's trying to tease. Whichever one hits first is what I'm looking for. Wait, hold on. Let me see how Tesla's doing. Let me make myself feel better that I didn't hold that oh, hold up. Oh, it's up. Like it's up from yesterday where we got in, but that contract is more than likely like down. Let me look at it. I'm curious now. Let's see. Took like a $7 loss on it. I want to see how that is. So it was a 445 call that expires today. Oh yeah. We'd be down. We'd be down. I'd be down more than 50%. So yeah, yeah, I'm chilling. Palantir 148. Here, let's see. Oh, wrong chart, wrong chart. Oh yeah, it's dipping. Oh, hold up. Yo, it's made it to hold up. Okay, hold up. Oh wait. No, yeah, it came down here. Let me take it to a higher time frame. This area, yeah, on the date. This is. Oh no, it already kind of no. Let's look at it on the weekly real quick. This is a buy. This is a short term. This is a buy. When are their earnings? They might be too pricey because they have earnings, but this is a short term buy. With their earnings are on Monday. Is it pre or post market? I'm curious what their let me see what their contracts are going for. Yeah, Pouncer, that's a short term buy. Where's that? Whoa, what just happened? Oh, I hit the advance button. Let's see. Oh yeah, I'm not trying to pay for that. Oh yeah, Apple trying to move up a little bit. What if I go 2 weeks out? No, yeah, Palantir is more than I want to pay for it, but this level, it's a buy. And I do want to show you. Let me extend this out. This downward trend line. It's like it may still follow us down, like because it's been coming to this trend line, and when it's been coming to the trend line, it's been like getting smacked. But from here, if it makes a move up to that trend line, like say it takes some time. Oh, actually, that kind of lines up with this other resistance too, like this like 165 or whatever. It's like I could, it could come up there, and from there, if it's good, it can break out. But I feel like I can see Palantir potentially coming down more, but or coming to do like a larger double bottom or something. But Palantir is yeah, this is a short term buy. That's wait, let's measure that move real quick. That's like a or I guess from where it's at. That's like a $16 move. That's one I'm not taking. Oh, hold up. SoFi came and did its thing. Hold up. Let me take a look at it. Let me see what these contracts are looking like now with SoFi. Where we at? Where oh hold up. Oh, hold up. Well, hey. Yeah, so I just grabbed the SoFi $24 call expiring um February 6th. I wanted the 13th, but I got the 6th. And I paid 68 per share. But yeah, I'm cool with that SoFi entry. I'm not necessarily like both of these trades I gave them time, or not like a crazy amount of time, but they both have adequate time. I'm not necessarily like too worried right now. Oh, let me zoom out and see where my target would be for this. Shoot. Yo, my target for this would be like 2773. Like just looking at it. That would be like a full on target. Shoot, I thought the 26. Yeah, yeah, so this will be a swing. This will be a swing. We'll make sure it doesn't get invalidated, but let's slide that over a bit. Let me share that real quick. So yeah, don't expect that to play out today, but I like that so far. Let me. What is it? Oh, wow. Just grabbed an SOFI $24 call, paid 0.68 per share. It expires 2/6. Oh, hold up. I just got a Roblox notification too. Hold up. Oh, it's at the 200 weekly average. Dang, Roblox is yeah. I feel like that was for you, D Scur, that I set that notification. But yeah, Roblox is yo, it's coming on down. All right. And then if I take SPY, it'll be a day trade. It'll be like a zero DT if I do anything with that. Let me check in on Apple. Oh, Apple pulling back now. They trying to play with me. Uh, all right, so oh wait, okay, miss some. You said, oh, while I'm embarrassing my trade, I also bought an IBIT put yesterday, paid 44 for 46. Currently down $1, been lower and higher this morning. So it's a whole lot of consolidation. You got a put. You got it yesterday, but you got a 46. Wait, 46.50. Uh, what you're hoping for is something negative. I know D Scurry was saying something like there's something that could potentially pass this week that could end up being pretty bullish. You would hope for some sort of negative. I mean, it could also turn out to be negative. They find ways to be negative on these things, but you would hope that that turns out to be negative. It's like if it does, you're gonna get a bag probably, or like a little decent bag, but it's kind of like where it is right now. Nothing's going on, but it could be something. You say yes, TOS a little difficult. Watch your video for options for beginners helped a lot, but confidence still not there on my entry and exits. This is awesome. Hey, hey, glad to have you here, James. Locked in and learning. Palantir Monday after hours. Palantir is at a buy level for a call since it's at support. Yes, I would say that. So Palantir is at support, and not only is it at support, it's at like a major key level. All right, so if we here, let me come on back. All right, so you can see there's like this trend line on Palantir. Last time it touched this point, pushed up pretty strong, touched over here, pushed up pretty strong. Then it broke over here, and you can also see when it broke here, it kind of led to a strong downfall. Typically, whenever you get a break of a trend, it'll go back to where it started. We are back where the trend started, and then also looking at this candle, it has a pretty big wick, which means like the story of this candle, the price pushed down, like the candle closed at it closed at 154, but on during this candle, price pushed all the way down to like 146.50 or so. and then it was pushed all the way back up to where it closed there. So that shows there are strong buyers at that level. So that's a strong key level right there. And like what's likely to happen is we will see more um like the price get pushed up again from here. And because there are like whenever you have price leave the level that fast, it means there are likely some orders left at that level that'll end up getting triggered again. So it's like if we lose the level, then it's like, oh, those orders might be kind of filled out. But yeah, it's good likelihood we're going up. Hey, top of the morning, George. You said my strike is 27. I think I got a $24 strike on a. I got a $24 strike on SoFi. My target was 27. I know I'm a little behind on these messages, but when I get into the charts, kind of fall behind. Says 62 per share for you. Might be a good entry for puts here. Hey, possibly. Yeah, it is like kind of consolidating. If you look at the hike in Ashley, it's almost like it's showing a double top, but we'll see. Let's see. For SoFi was that 24. Oh, I got a $24 call just to be clear. Yeah. And it's one like that I would expect to take profit on next week, unless we get a massive turnaround today. But it's like I'm not gonna write that out, but also I'm not counting on us going off today. Short term Bitcoin crypto will get slaps. Hey, we'll oh, you said it'll take some time to pass. Okay, that's good. SoFi still bleeding. I wouldn't call this bleeding. So it's like honestly, a lot of this stuff, you know how I am these curve. Um I like to look to the 4 hour. So it's like if I zoom out to the 4 hour on SoFi, right now, we still got an hour and a half. This could be liquidity. So yeah, just looking at it, last time created the liquidity here. Like this could still end up closing as a wick. So I'm not really too concerned right now. Okay. IBIT just pumped up, will dip down because I have a put. Oh, nice, cool. Wait, so what is pumping up and what's dipping down? Is your contract going up or is IBIT going up? Oh, okay. So your contract's going. Okay, cool, cool. Yeah, threw me off a little bit, but that's good. Yeah, Clarity Act did pass the House up off to the Senate. Okay, okay. We could all use a little clarity. All right, yeah, we got the PCE going up some more. Hey, it's a hey. Once again, like I was saying, if this PCE, like as this PCE gets high, like especially like if we end up closing the day out 0.8, I would not be surprised to see us gap up on Monday or Tuesday or run up. You know, sometimes we gap up, sometimes we run up. I want to be in position for that. If we don't come up to this 695 area, I will not be taking any puts today. Bro, hold up. Bro, Weeble is at 714. This is that's wild. That is very wild. This is all time low for Weeble. I want it. Talk of SpaceX merger. Oh, for Tesla. But they don't ever give you the break. Honestly, he was talking about that when I was holding Tesla. So not I guess not. I didn't. I think I sold out like the end of 2024, like at like right at the top. But I was like, oh yeah, that'd be nice. But yeah, it's like yeah, that'd be cool. Also, Tesla is at this trend line. Yeah, like the trade we almost took yesterday. So yeah, Tesla has takeoff potential for sure. Bought a few shares of Bull today for my. Hey, yeah, it's like Weeble is one that looks good to me. Okay. Oh, there we go. We got the spy. Spy just. I feel like I looked away for like half a second and it like dropped like a rock. Okay. Yeah, it's dropping. It's dipping. That's probably gonna send the PCE up. But needed the Apple hit yesterday's high and got slapped down hard. Apple is pulling back like for me, Apple is like in the area where I bought it yesterday. So it's like, oh well, I mean, yeah, if you look at it on the day perspective, you can call that a crazy pullback. But if you look on my chart right here, Apple's chilling. So uh Henry, I know you still like the day trade. This Apple is intended to be a swing trade for me. I think I believe I got 2 weeks on it. Let me see. I want to make sure I got 2 weeks. Yeah, I got 2 weeks on Apple. So it's like the short term story doesn't matter for me. It's like if Apple pulls back to 244, I'm gonna buy more. Was that in puts just got out? Wait, was in puts just got out $88 profit? Hey, good stuff. Good stuff. Also good timing. Yeah, that was a bro, that was a scalp, but that was a quick. Yeah, just like came in, just like ripped off. Honestly, I'm kind of wondering if they're gonna really give us anything today. We might have to wait till Euro close. We might have to. I don't know. I don't know, bro. Ethereum's at it's sub 2,700. And silver down 15%, back below 90. Excuse me, y'all. Oh my goodness. Up on these snaps again. So we got like nothing going on right now. Except for the PCE rising. Okay, let me take a closer look at Tesla. I knew someone that used to call it stressful. The family voted 53% red. Okay. $10 profit out of IBIT. Hey, way to Way to turn it into a W. Yo, profit is profit. Yeah, so fine. Yo, it's trying to hold in there like a soldier. Trying to push a little off the bottom. We'll see how it ends up closing. Still got like an hour 25 on this candle. Daisy gotta go, but love this. Hey, we'll be here Friday again, Daisy. Hey, have a blessed day. And a blessed weekend. They still call it that. They probably got that from the Trader TV Live. Stress low is what they call it. Oh, I didn't. Yeah, they used to call it that whenever I took that course. I want to say it was in like 20. The last year was 2025. I want to say it was like early 2024, late 2023. Yeah, that's when that was like introduced to me. CRM, Slam Force. Jeremy called it Slam. Oh yeah, I straight up. I watched that in the sauna yesterday. Let me see. Oh, look at that. SoFi trying to hold up a little bit. Apple a little bit off the bottom. Hold up. SPY might be going up somewhere. Okay. Yeah, let's check out Slam Force. Bro, Jeremy's so cheesy. Hey, talking about dad jokes, I'm sure he's full of them. Y'all, I was gonna tell y'all a joke about paper, but it's terrible. He said Tesla my Tesla. I like Google McDougal. Yeah, I wonder how he talks to his kids. I was laughing at what he was saying about Sandisk and then you. He just salty. He didn't see it about. Uh, might be. But honestly, that's how he like the cyclical nature of the memory stocks. There was one he put me on like a long time ago that I made money off of. I think is Skyworks. This was around when I first got into the market. Hey, hold up. I had no idea fully what I was buying, but is this the same stock? They do some stock splits or something? Because this thing used to be a lot more. Paid out dividends? Oh no, okay. So I think he told me about it over in this area that's like 60 something. But then it got up here. This area, I was like, okay, yeah, I'm chilling. This was about when I was dealing with it. I was like, solid. But yeah, he was like talking about the cyclical nature of things. I was like, oh, okay. That was like when I was that was like when I first got introduced to options and stuff. All right, but look at that. SoFi trying to hold up, doing all right. No need to fear, family. It's like if it looks scary on the if it looks scary in your time frame, zoom out. If it still looks scary, zoom out. And if you really zoomed out and it still looks scary, run away. All right, so fly back to 693. Really magneted to the 693 level today. All right, Tesla pushing up, but watch out. We got some liquidity that could bring us down at this 397 area. So we'll call that 397 short term resistance. And then beyond that, we got some more at about 440.50. So far, not scary at all long term. It's just a short term beat. Oh no, yeah, I know how you. Well, I've taken some beatings from them in the past, but yeah, so far. So if SoFi goes to 2770, like yeah, if SoFi goes to 2770 for the contracts you have, would you be in the green? Would that help you? So on the weekly, looks like the worst it can get is around 20. I feel like weekly wise, I got some lower stuff. Oh yeah, there's some nice liquidity there. Like short term, that's where it can go, but it can come down here. It can move up, and then something can move it down. I usually like if we're on the weekly, I'll kind of look at the 200 moving average, and I'll say like that's like really really bad. I have SoFi out until the 20th, and yes, that would put me. Oh, I know how you feel. Hey, as long as we got you in the green. All right, so we got the spy pushing. They're trying to come to some higher days. Well, they got to 694.04 higher day so far. You said if it goes to $27, you're gonna be rolling in the dough, bro. That one day when I locked in profits in the morning when I was on the run, I would have been rolling if I hadn't. Bro, that was one of those situations where an alert, like it helped me take profits, but if I were at the computer, I could have rode that thing. I think I took profit at like 50%. I think it went like a little over 200%. I was like, man, and it was like straight line. I didn't want to let my heart rate go down though. I don't like money being tied up. I know how you feel. Yeah, the money being tied up is tough. That's why I'm like, sometimes I struggle. Like, there's a lot of stuff that like looks good, and I like miss out on certain things because it's like, oh, I'm not sure that'll happen like right away. Like that Microsoft trade the other day, or I guess it might have been a week ago. Like when they fell to the level and they like ran it that day. I'm like, man, that would have paid, but it's like I had it where it could have taken a lot longer. So I prefer in and out same day or at least same week. I mean, that's yeah, it's nice. I kind of like going from one day to the next. Like it's like, oh, I enter today, next trading day, I get it out. That way it's like, oh, didn't even use a day trade. And then also it's like, oh yeah, it's still like a relatively short amount of time. But no, kind of is what it is. All right, so Tesla is at this area where there's like selling pressure. So see if it kind of blasts through or if we get any kind of pullback. I don't think it would be a major pullback. It's not like a major level, but it's a little level. It's probably just taking its time though. Nunet, I'm glad you got out when you got out. All right, spy like back at this high again. Like it's third time being here. All right, Tesla trying to push higher. My issue is getting out too soon or not buying to hold long enough. Nah, yeah, getting time on your contracts is always a benefit. All right, hold up. Unless you're going for percentage returns. All right, so we're approaching high of day, getting pretty close. Hold up, y'all. Yeah, I think we just touched it. Let's see if we go up. All right, yeah, we made a new high of day. Yeah, let's see if we can come into the 695. You say yeah, left that I bit alone. It was 46.68 actually. The price I charted, so I did good. So should have. Hey, hey, as long as we learning. All right, we got Tesla pushing, looking like it's going to test that next key level. I would say this one looks a little bit stronger because we did sell off a good amount. But yeah, 440.19. Next one to look out for. But also, yeah, this is it's a 15-minute chart, so should be some strength, but also it can bounce back or recover from it too. So both typos needed the. All week I've been seeing a lot of double bottoms and double tops on the 3 minute or on the 2 minute on the what is this? The hiking Ashi? We might have a double bottom, might have a triple top. Oh, still moving up though. But yeah, the market's been when you see double bottoms and double tops, especially when you see a lot of them, that means we're just ranging. All right, SoFi moving down some more. SoFi is almost at the 48 weekly as well. It's a interesting day in the market. It's like we got stuff going on, but it feels like nothing's going on at the same time. Okay, Tesla. Shoot, that contract I had yesterday with Tesla might be somewhere now. Let me see. Oh yeah, that contract's up now. Would I have held it till now? No. But yeah, that contract, I think I paid like 49 for it yesterday. It's now going for like 130. Took like a $7 loss, but like if I'm truly being realistic and honest, I wouldn't have held till now if I had swung it. All right, Spy said nope, not yet. But yo, this is the first candle so far that has been above. Oh no, yeah, no confirmation above that 200 on the 15 yet. Not happening. You said I don't even want to look. Oh, well, you said 130. Apple should have held. Yeah, I still got the Apple, but that Tesla, I feel like it's going back down right now. I don't think we should have held the Tesla. Let me check that other one, the Republic Power. Let me see how that's doing. I still got. Oh, hold up. My free shares are still moving. Hold up. I think they're up almost 100. Let me see. Oh, it doesn't necessarily show the percentage. Weeble's a little weird. Like, because I like sold out of the other ones, it says my average cost is like negative 36 per share or 36 cents per share. So let me see what I bought them for. I bought them for like 81 cents. That's a that's a Weeble. I meant Moomoo. That's like the one thing I don't like about Moomoo. When I want to take screenshots of profits and stuff, the percentages. If I take profit on anything early, it's like thrown off, and I can't see what the profit from the initial entry is. But I also do like that they show the overall kind of average too. So far on the weekly is near the. You said is that significant? Yeah, I would say there's a level of significant. Usually the EMAs are going to be in the area of support. So that's going to be the or support or resistance. That's going to be the significance itself. Beyond that, nothing. But yeah, there's significance to the EMAs, especially on higher time frames. So Rivian caught my eye with all the pullbacks and key points hitting today. Here, let's see. I had looked at Rivian like might have been yesterday. So I think there was a like somewhere it could fall back to. Oh yeah, we got a trend line going up over here. Let's. I don't even think that's what I was looking for, but there is one going up, and then I think there's something about this. Oh, so they had broke out this range last time, but yeah, there's something about this like just below $11 area that's had brought my or piqued my interest for some reason. The market is in the washing machine. Oh, and since not him since see all these skirt man. He said it's in the washing machine. Okay. All right. And we got the dad jokes on for sure. Yeah, I think we'll just shake this off. I hear you. I have patience. I just prefer quicker returns like everyone else. Let's see. With the whole American companies narratives, and then Tesla doing robotics in space more, seems they benefit. Oh, you're talking about Rivian? Hey, I I'm kind of with you a little bit there. They should benefit as well. I'm taking the Lucid kind of route. I know they also have like they're an American company and they got the Saudi money and they're like I think they're pretty much at all time lows. It's like this right now with Lucid. It's like honestly it looks really bad, but I don't think they'll fail because of the Saudi money that's being put into it. So they kind of have money to just kind of do what they want, free reign right now. But yeah, Lucid is kind of bad. Yeah, Tesla's definitely like moving on to their own thing though. They're trying to get away from the cars. Y'all know Tesla is they're they're canceling production of their Model X and Model S. It's kind of sad because I used to it's like I wanted to one day have a Model X. The little with the little falcon doors and whatnot, but I also didn't want it to be an old one. But they're not gonna be making those anymore, so probably won't be having one of those. Unless I get yeah, probably not. Probably not. It's like I like stuff like that to be within a certain newness. I'm about to go on their website right now. Let me see. I'm gonna see like what the process of getting that is looking like now. Or I'm on the Tesla website. Let's see. You said nobody's buying X anymore. Yeah, that's because they hadn't updated it. It's like I kind of it's like yo, I want one, but it's like if it hasn't been updated in all this time, Oh, right now they still got the yeah. It doesn't really it doesn't really make sense because it's like you have like the Model 3s and the Model Ys with like newer and better features in some aspects as opposed to the Model X. So I'm like, yeah, I don't know why you would. I mean, they still got them though on their website. I'm gonna put one together right now just for the fun of it. Oh, starting price 100K or 99,990 dollars. That's if you pay cash. If you lease it, dang, $1,700 a month. Yeah, I'm not trying to. Nah, that's a lot for a car, bro. Finance $1,500 a month. All right, so all wheel. Okay, bro. The range isn't even that crazy on them either. Oh, let me check in on the stocks. Okay, haven't missed anything. So Tesla looks like they came to that area that I was talking about right here. Or actually, they stopped a little before, but like I said, there are some sellers there. We got a little pullback, but yeah, nothing much going on here right now. Hey, y'all, we're here on stream, chilling and vibing. Also, I appreciate Apple. Like the stock price is chilling and staying where I bought the contract. That's nice. I'm glad it's not like just dropping like a rock. Yeah. All right, I'm gonna see what else Tesla has on their website outside of these cars. See if they're like sneaking anything on their website for us investors. They got the Cybertruck on here. It's like, wait, okay. What kind of offers y'all got going? 2,000 free supercharging miles? That's like nothing. Every new Tesla, Model 3. It's nothing crazy. Oh, hold up. They got the a zero APR available on the model Model Y. That's interesting. Oh, that's for the rear wheel drive. I would need like an all wheel drive. Yeah, nah, no sir. Got some full self driving stuff. Are these all their superchargers? Bro, they need more. Bro, Oklahoma is lacking in superchargers. Oh, that's straight up where I just went too. Bro, I took my Tesla to Oklahoma. Think I want to say in November. Went out there, stayed in the cabin and whatnot. Bro, I'm like, yo, where the chargers at? Bro, I had to go to like it was like a Ford gas station. Not a gas station, a Ford like a dealership. Hey, Mass 3DRC, top of the morning. All right, so yeah, we got a triple top up here, kind of on the spy. we're still, but we're like bouncing. We're still riding this 13 EMA, or still riding the EMAs up. I think we got the cross of the 13 over the 48. So the SPY, like, this would have me think on the day the SPY is still going to try to come up there. And if we like slowly get that move, then we might get that fall that I'm looking for. I don't know. You said you can thank Trader TV Live for the Wars reference. Thanks, Trader TV Live. All right, let's see. Bro, they're pretty spread out in Mexico too. I'm looking at these superchargers. Bro, they got some work to do. Hold up. Got some work to do in South America. There's like, bro, they got like two in Chile, and then most of South America, there's like nothing. You got two in Puerto Rico. What is this? You, you got some in Mexico. Bro, they're loaded on the West Coast. You said not any charging stations here in middle Nebraska. Oh, I'm looking for Nebraska. Let's see. Oh no, that's Nevada. I was like, hold up. Bro, there are so many. Hold up, there's so many in this area. I can't even like see this. Oh, let me check the charts. But yeah, we're just bouncing around. We're just bouncing around, y'all. I'm satisfied with the contracts that I'm currently sitting in. Lincoln or Omaha, maybe. I'm trying to. What states border Nebraska? Because I think it's in this area where there's like 1,000. Oh, okay, I see it. Oh, I was looking in the wrong place. Yeah, it looks like Nebraska, there's like kind of a line going down the middle, but there are, like, I can count the dots for the superchargers in Nebraska. There's one, two, three, four, five, six, seven, eight. And then it looks like Omaha. There might be like two in Omaha or something. There's 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. I think there are like 12 in Nebraska. That's wild. Kansas, Colorado. Wait, hold up. Oh, wow. Okay. Oh, okay. It's like, honestly, this like middle America area, I guess the Midwest, or is that considered Midwest? Um, bro, I honestly don't know like too much geographically. It's like, yo, I know Texas. I know the stuff that borders Texas. Then we got Arizona. Honestly, I didn't even realize I did. I kind of did, but I didn't. Then I got Oklahoma, Colorado. You got Kansas over there. Yeah, it's like I think I'm like so self-centered. It's like I'm only noticing what's like directly around me. Right, you said Iowa. Oh yeah, Iowa is up there. Logan, Kansas is a geographic center of America. It makes sense. What's this thought? Okay, now back to me like I'm exploring the Tesla website while we're just here. We call this research. Bro, solar panels. Power your home and reduce your electricity bill. What they charge for that? Let's see. They probably like, oh yeah, schedule for us to get your rate. Like, see my system. All right, solar panels and power wall. How much for the power wall? Let's see. Let me throw some guesstimates at them. What is what y'all? All right, let's see what kind of options they try to provide. So that's to lease. What's the cash price? Okay, so for one power wall it's 15K with an extension pack 19, two extension packs 3. Okay. All right, so I'm curious. Yeah, there are a few solar harvesting locations around here, too many wind towers. And that's kind of good to keep in mind to be aware, like just to know what's out there. Appreciate the intake or input. So we got the Powerwall mega packs, massive batteries. How? Yeah, let me. I'm curious about these mega packs too. How much these go for? Building a more sustainable, resilient grid. All right, so this looks like. Hold up. This looks like it's more like going into company stuff. I feel like I've heard Elon talk about these mega packs. So you got the future of renewable energy relies on large scale industrial energy storage. Megapack is powerful integrated battery system that provides clean, reliable, cost effective energy storage to help stabilize the grid and prevent outages. Hey, I can tell you during this winter storm, hey, no outages. Well, I don't know what happened last time at this house, but hey, no outage. I was here for like a week. I just got out for the first time yesterday. Reducing our reliance on fossil fuels, strengthening our grid infrastructure will make sustainable energy more accessible and affordable for everyone on Earth. Learn more in our master plan part 3. Okay, that's a big master plan. Oh, those are kind of large. Yeah, I'm curious how much it would be to order one. Mega pack quantity. Give me mega pack duration. Oh, these mega packs. I knew they'd be money, but oh wait, hold up. Let's say Texas. All right, so if I want like the lower end one, bro, it's like that's a solid million at the least. Okay, all right, that's some. Okay, another chart check. Bro, not much happening. We got 45 minutes till the 4 hour candle closes. We got like 16 minutes to a euro close. Solar roof. Are these still going? I thought I saw something about them like not doing the solar roof anymore. Solar panels and Powerwall, solar roof. Let's see. So check out ZSL volume spike on the 4 hour and the RSI. Hey, what's up, Lucky J? Bro, we definitely thought you were on a yacht somewhere. Hey, we want to hear the conclusion for your trades yesterday. Yeah, let's see. ZSL. Oh, oh wait, hold on. So you said ZSL volume spike on the 4 hour. Yeah, that's a nice little gap, 36% today. Yeah, it's trying to come up. Yeah, Lucky J. I sold out of my RPGL. I think I was up like I don't even know. Oh yeah, I was up like 50 on like I had 40 shares. I sold out up 30 of them, up 50. The rest are up like that's like 80 or so. Dominique, hey, what's up? Hey, what's up? Hello. Y'all know Fetty Wap just got out of jail. You said trading option contract. So I've entered some options trades today, but I wouldn't say there's much trading going on today. There's not too much. Like if you're looking for something quick, if you're looking for a quick hit, something you can get in and get out today, I don't think there's going to be any of that. Yes, I'm trading contracts. Hey, GGCU too, Lucky J. Did you get out of the shoot, let me see what it was. Let me see. What's it called? Um, oh, TCGL. You get out of this yesterday? You still got anything hanging in there? Cause that's insane. That's uh that's something else. Only got out at 109 per share. Yeah, it very much did, but that's still like amazing. You said to like four something. Oh my goodness. I didn't even see that. Oh my. Woo. That's insanity. Hey, that's still hey, you still like you still got that thing. Oh my goodness. Oh wow. You said up 100 for sure. Hey, that beats options right there. I'm like, oh my goodness. Wow. Wow. Shoot, even if you only got one of those things. Wow. TCGL, that crazy changing increased. Yeah, that's something different right there. Hmm. All right, so spy. Oh, I didn't even realize where. We're below the 200 on the 2 minute. We're below the 13 EMA. It's probably about to cross down to. Oh wait, hold up. Let me. Okay. All right. So if we look at this and we want like a quick day trade, oh, let me look at the spot on the 1 hour real quick. You see, I think we okay. The 1 hour. I don't really. Actually, hold up. Oh no, current range is from this 185 up to the 195 on the 1 hour. Actually, no, it's still a bearish range. No, still bearish range on the 1 hour. Okay, let's go with 15. Nah, that's still a bearish range on the 15 too. It's like, yeah, I still have us needing to come into that 695. I was about to try to look for something, but it's like maybe if you go down to like a 5, but I don't want to like move that low. They say it's a short squeak. Yeah, those, hey, RIP to those shorts. My goodness. Hey, somebody needs to check in on those shorts. All right. Well, anyways, I was like trying to look for something. This could be like an area, like you do have this little range, and you do have this liquidity here at this 690. So 690 is an area of support. That could be something right there potentially, but it doesn't like meet for me to enter it. So just wanted to bring that to your attention. All right, I need to bring up another slot. Okay, yeah. So we got the spot pulling back. Be interested to see what happens here. I say there's a good chance of it catching a bid. I'm not playing it, but I say there's a good chance. Do you have videos explaining the short and ladder trades that are on? No, I don't. Honestly, lately oh, I have a lot of stuff going on. Like a lot of stuff I do outside of like trading and like especially like a lot of house stuff now and like between living life and all that whatnot. I will get back to like producing trading content, but honestly, I don't think it'll be anywhere like before like May, June. So it's like at the moment, no, I don't. It's like I just come and connect in the on these live streams right now. But honestly, I don't even think I've looked at You said the short and ladder trades. I'll have to like look at it. I don't even think I've looked at them honestly. Let's see. Verticals, calendar. I don't even know what ladder is. Welcome to ladder trading. Built for speed, designed with precision, powered by level 2 data. Okay, so the ladder trade thing looks like that's just going to be for stocks. So that might be beneficial if you're trading penny stocks from what it's looking like. And then like you're looking at shorts. Hold on, let me go to something I don't own already. So you have to have your margin turned on to be able to short. So it's like I can explain the concept of shorting to you. I've never really done the ladder trading. I've never done trading short either, but I know how it works. Pretty much with like if you're trying to go short on something, it's like the same way like if you were to buy a stock to the upside, like say you bought this tech crate and say you got it over here when it was like $30 or whatnot, and you decide to buy it, not everything has options available for it. So it's like, okay, I think it can go up a crazy amount, but there are no options. So let me buy it. All right. So you buy it. And it's like, you can buy the stock. All right. So if you bought it at $30 and it's now $350, that is, you're up $320. Now let's say, oh, we're at 350 and I think the price is about to come down and it has to come down. So I want to make money to the downside, but I can't buy puts because there aren't options on it. In that situation, you can also short. So in order to short, what's going on when you short shares is you are borrowing shares. Like say you borrow them at $350, you're borrowing them at 350, and let's say it gets back to that $30 price, you are giving them back like once they're at that uh $30 price, you're giving them back at that $30 price. So like while you're borrowing them, it's like I don't know, you paid I guess paid $30 or 350 to borrow them plus like a little fee, and then or maybe you profit off the downside pretty much. So it's like you're getting them for 350, like you're borrowing them for 350 and then you're like buying them back whenever you're exiting. So you're borrowing the shares to short, and then as they go down, you profit. If it comes down to $30, that is $320 profit. And you need to have your margin turned on because you do have to, it does charge you interest. So similar to a credit card, it looks like Robinhood's charging like 5%. Um, I don't know what they put the interests on. Like, I don't know how the interest works. I don't know if they're charging you for the value of the stock, the value of profits. I don't know what they charge the interest on, but I know it's like, yeah, let me see if let me try to look at it again, see if I can figure it out. Okay, so here, let me see. If I tried to get Yeah, I'm gonna do a stock. Let's see. I'm gonna try to get it to a clear number, clean number. So it won't show me, but it gives like if you try to do it, it looks like it gives you an estimated daily borrow fee. It's not anything you'll catch me messing with though. So it's probably not anything I'll ever really show unless it's just like right here and we're here and you just want to see how it works. Because it's not anything I do myself. Hey, very welcome, Tyler. Very, very welcome. What's it like 10:30? Okay, so we got Euro close right now. I like that Apple's coming up, but yeah, that's kind of it. All right, y'all, give me a couple minutes. I gotta go to the bathroom. I'll be back. Hey, if y'all, hey, hold up, y'all showing up with the like button. Hey, that's what's up, family. That's what's up. I'll be back. Gotta go use the bathroom real quick. All right, we back. All right, let's see. All right, you said how we looking on RI? Not not good at the moment. That one is not looking good at the moment. But I'm letting that one run to see kind of how we do. But yeah, that's like the one that's not doing hot. But like looking at it, yeah, I can't even say. It's like with Rich Tech Robotics, I'm just gonna see how that does. That was like the least fundamental. It looks like today it actually closed below the 200. So I'm gonna say, like, if I'm being real, that does not look good. But part of why I kept holding yesterday is because I was like, oh, there's this gap to be filled. But now it's just like so cheap that that can there's not much that can happen with it. So that was one that looked good for short term that did not play out in my favor. But yeah, it doesn't. That one doesn't look like it's going to play out. All right, let's see. And what's up? What's up, Patrick? Oh yeah, hold up. Oh, how'd I miss that? Yo, how'd I miss the good morning? I'm just now seeing that. Well, anyways, it's 11:31 on my time in Florida. Yeah, so that's I guess that's when Europe kind of closes. Let's see. Hold on. 31st thumb clicker. Oh shoot, y'all, yeah, y'all destroyed the likes. Hold up. Look at y'all. Hey, no Alcatraz today. Glad to hear it. Glad to hear it. How are your positions and like how have things been? I feel like I haven't like that's like I hear from you on Fridays, but I feel like I haven't heard as much from you. All right, we got Tesla still trying to push into that. Yeah, doesn't look like we got too much going on today. Tesla looked great. Apple holding in there. I don't know how the actual contract's going, but let me look at it. 'Cause I think they have a what's the let me check the calendar real quick. I think the catalyst might be on Tuesday. No, Monday. We'll kind of see. No, Tuesday. Tuesday, my bad. Bitcoin looks like it's kind of making its way up again. Let's see. UNH, hold up. UNH got this downtrend going. I would still love to see. That's still a ways away, but I would love to see that 177 level. I'm kind of happy this ended up like pulling back. I had this negative earnings over here, sold off. and then it had like I guess two decent earnings, but now it looks like it's trying to come down again. Hold up. All right, let's see. Do you think Apple might come down to you said 252? It's like it's possible. It's oh you said on the 1 hour. It's like I'm gonna say everything that's going on with Apple right now is like that was that little range is too tight to say. It's like not enough going on. So looking at Apple, if we look at it on the 1 hour, the current range on the 1 hour is going to be here. Let me see what's up with this candle. So it's probably going to be from this point right here, and it's going to go all the way. I mean, it's actually good that I'm looking at this right now. But yeah, it's going to go all the way up here. So that's the current range. Apple came, and actually, this might be the first level. So actually, it could come back. Yeah, it could come back to that potentially. So here, let me mark this. Let me mark this. That might be I might grab a second one if it comes back here. But I want you to notice how we're not like confirming below the range on the 1 hour. Like it's like confirmation below this like a candle close below this like 254.87 area. That might be okay. Might be time to get out of there. But no, right now we just had wicks. Like we came down and came back. Honestly, there probably is a good chance we'll come back before going up. So there is a solid chance of that. Now I'm looking at it on the 1 hour. Let me look at it on the 4 hour. Honestly, I don't think there was anything on the 4 hour I really saw. Oh, on the 4 hour, yeah, it's a different story though. So on the 4 hour, if we look at Apple, um, oh, I guess it kind of already reacted on the 4 hour and it already played out. You see, so 4 hour, this would be the range on the 4 hour. You could either say this was the first low or this was the first low, one of these. But if this was the first low, this was a sweep, and then this was it running to the target. And then you can say this created another range right here. Wait, no, it didn't. It didn't create another range. We'll leave that alone. But yeah, if anything, you can say we're currently in range. So it's like it's really good if we end up above like 262. Otherwise, it's like hey, but yeah, that's like yeah, you got the potential for that. It's like if it comes there, it's like I'll probably grab a second one too. Let's see. Uh Burger Cat. Oh, that sounds like a good restaurant or something. I'm new to all this, but do you think it's worth getting into options right now? When it comes to getting into options, oh wait, hold up. What's going on with my camera? Why is it looking over there? Hold up, let's see. There we there we go. Okay. But when it comes to like getting into options, I can't say. Do I think it's worth it learning technical analysis and understanding the charts? Yes. Like that is a skill. That is a valuable skill. Do you need to do it with options? No, not necessarily. Um, but I 100% think like technical analysis, like that skill, no, that's worth something. So when it comes to reading the charts, hold on. All right, let's see. Yeah, but I would say like chart analysis definitely worth learning. I would say like just this past year, like I would say I really started learning technical analysis. Like, hold on, let me think about it. Like these years start going together. It's like I've been trading, but like when I want to say like 2022 or 2023. Let's say I started like really learning in 2022, and I kind of like got the grasp, like a solid grasp of it, like 2024 or so. And it's like all 2025 and whatnot. Like ever since, it's like I've just been saying thank you. Like, oh, I'm so grateful. And like especially like recently, I'm like, wow, this skill is what, like, I'm so thankful that I have taken the time to learn this skill. So I would say it's worth it. So 252.18 already hit on 4 hour. So coming back to the Apple analysis, Henry. So I was saying this might be that first low. It's 252.18. So this would be where it needs to come back to. Like so if you're looking on the 4 hour, it already got swept, but it got swept in the after hours, so there was no way to play that. But if you're looking to try for the 1 hour, which looks like it's still in play, if we get another like visit down here, like it might be quick, but we look up. But look at one thing I do want to like kind of point out. Look at the volume on Apple from market open. The candle is green. Like this is a lot of buying pressure. This might lead us into something it might lead us into something good. Like this is a good look on Apple. Also, like similar to how this isn't necessarily the best look on SoFi, but we'll see. I seen your videos from last good training. Thank oh, cool. Appreciate that. You're very welcome. I would like to make some more in the future, but the near future, probably not. Hold on. Oh, hold on. Let me throw my phone on the charger. Yo, so we're here chilling. All right, so far, yo, we got like 9 minutes on this candle. Take another look at it. Wait, this is like a weekly though, right? Look, I didn't get as much time on this that as I would have liked. Hold on. So, uh, on the weekly, I would say this could like I would say like 3 to 6 months out. It's in so far the all time highs. But with the contract that I got, I'm gonna say we'll have to check in with that Monday, Tuesday, because there is the possibility that it fails. But I do like the SoFi, so it could go to 20 or 18 for now. Yeah, so we'll have to see. We'll have to see what happens Monday or Tuesday. I'm liking that this 48 EMA is here, but this SoFi could does look like it could it's like if it looks like it's going my way, it could like it might get something, but if not, it could get nasty. Just want to acknowledge that. Yeah. Hmm. It's a story for Tesla. Yeah, I'm gonna say that's it. Hey, I'm gonna say this is we're getting into that area where the market just decides, hey, let's wake up. Matthew's about to get off screen. It's time to turn up. Let me I'm gonna pull up Rigetti again. Wow. Emerson said I'm here for the drop. I was till I got in. EBAI. Wait, so I got Apple and I got SoFi. Okay. We chilling. We chilling. Oh, lift. Hold up. All right. You know what I'm saying? So you got to lift down to get. Or no, it's not as down as it was. So like 716. MSTR is on the move up today. Actually, 1% in the green. Sandus backs up sub 100. Let me check. What is it? What is it? There we go. Oh, market getting a little greedy apparently. Okay. Options grower. Good morning. All right. Happy you could stop in before we peaced out. Ooh. You check in on the dollar as well while we're here. Still kind of moving up. Always some late been busy this morning. Hey, hopefully good or hopefully busy in a good way. I'm in calls as well, not as far out. So maybe I should be worried as well. You said, is there a fear and greed for individual stocks? The fear and greed, I think this is for just the market as a whole. So this is just investor sentiment. So this isn't for a specific stock. This is just for like the markets. Or I guess, yeah, I guess it's the S&P 500, but it's like the market in general. And here, let's see. You say up at work. What's it not? There's like a PCE like equivalent thing for each individual stock. Let me see. I I know you can find it on in Moomoo. Let me find it. Let's see. So I go to Moomoo. What's I doing? Oh, I was trying to look for the. I don't even know how I find it, but I know it's in here. There's like a call to put ratio chart. So maybe let's check the analysis. I'm not trying to look at options though. Oh wait, it might. Yeah, I actually do probably need to be in options if I'm trying to look at the call to put ratio. Oh yeah, yeah. Okay, so if you go to here, I can probably show you real quick. Let me see if I can pull up a. Actually, hold up. That's gonna do it. That's gonna do it for the day. But if you go to options and you click on analysis and right under where it says trade stats on Moomoo, you can see the call to put ratio or put to call ratio on whatever stock you're looking at. You said, can you recover a 50% down on, you said May 15th? Yeah, that's very possible. Yeah, I would say that's very possible. It might take some time, but yeah, that's very possible. On SoFi, institutions said no thanks, and retailers are not stepping up so far. So this could drop even below. I will see. I'm going to stick in it to like Monday or Tuesday. I for sure want to see how this weekly candle closes. But no, let's see. But yeah, with that being said, family, that is going to do it for the day. I appreciate each and every one of y'all for coming through. Uh, I'll see y'all next Friday for those of y'all that aren't with us every day. But yeah, with that being said, family, Matthew Manuel signing off, and I want to change your life. Peace out, Mahishu. Peace out, D Skirt. Peace out, EBF 1522. Peace out, MSense. Peace out, Options Grower. Peace out, D Skirt. Peace out, JPB Web 3. Peace out, Henry. Peace out, Mass 3DRC. And hey, don't waste that time switching the computers. But yeah, with that being said, family, Matthew Manning signing off. And I want to change your life. Peace out, family. Y'all have a blessed day, blessed weekend. GG's.